I'm gonna have to pray. Hi YouTube family, it's Buffy from Buffy's Flavorful Journey. Still doing that pantry challenge for January 2024. And I thought, let's do something like a breakfast or maybe a dessert, anytime dessert dish. So I have some biscuits, I have some apple pie filling, cinnamon sugar, some butter, and some caramel sauce. So let's see what we can come up with. Come along and let's see what we make. Okay, let's get started. We have our Grand's flaky layer biscuits. Supposed to cut them in fours. Already did the first stack. This other one. Okay. Just breaking up the quarter pieces now. I got one more section to break apart. Put them in my mixing bowl. And that was an 8-pack of the Grand's biscuits. Okay. Quarter cup of melted butter. And I'm using unsalted butter. Started to use salted, but decided not to. I don't think it really matters. Okay. And then we need to toss to make sure the butter gets on all the biscuits. Here's my apple pie filling. And what I did, these are my kitchen scissors. They were clean before I used them. I just went through the can like this to break it up. See if we got it all broken up or not. See, there's still a few down there that I need to chop up. Because when you open this, these are just slices of apple. Okay, I think we got them all. Oh, nope, there's another one. Must have been at the bottom there. I already have the oven preheated to 350, and I have a 9x13 baking dish, glass baking dish that I've sprayed with Baker's Joy. It's already prepped. I'm going to mix that up a little bit. Now I'm going to add the cinnamon sugar. Set to use 3 tablespoons. So let's measure. This one. We'll try 2 and see if I need more or not. Because I'm going to sprinkle more on it, on the top of it when I put it in the baking dish. You can also add nutmeg, just a little bit of that if you want, because nutmeg can overpower your dish. I think I'm gonna go ahead and add another tablespoon. Now it's time to put this in our baking dish. Okay. I want to spread it evenly in there. I started to just use the smaller square baking dish, but then I thought the biscuits are gonna fluff up and it might overflow in the oven. No, I don't want to clean up the oven, clean up a mess. So, yeah, you need the 9 by 13. That's what the recipe calls for, and that's what you need. Definitely. We spread it out evenly. I'm gonna put the lid back on here. Sprinkle a little bit more of the cinnamon sugar on there. And got some caramel sauce. I'm just gonna pour some of this on here. You don't have to add the caramel sauce, but I want it to be a little ooey gooey. And you add as much or as little as you want. And that's it. It goes in the oven, 350 degrees preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Well, I'm sorry, it says 25 to 30 minutes. So here we go. Okay, here it is out of the oven. Cooked about 30 minutes. And I'm going to pour a little bit, drizzle some more of the caramel sauce on it. Again, caramel sauce is optional, but I'm trying to use up items I have in the pantry, fridge, freezer. But there it is. I'm going to take one out, give it a taste test. That's what it looks like. Okay. Still hot. This is good. I'll definitely make this again. Kind of tastes like a cross between a biscuit and a French toast. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. And happy baking with Buffy. Love you, YouTube family. Bye for now. Came back real quick. I decided to put the rest of the caramel sauce on there to use it all up. Okay, last time I promised. Idea hit me. Get some ice cream. So let me try a little bit with some ice cream. Okay, it was good before. But with the ice cream, oh my God. I'm gonna have to pray.